Like I always say, if you have never watched how I do my maths, you will never understand what I'm going to say in the video. So make sure you watch any of my math tutorials and then you can come. I'll link it somewhere up here or up here. Yeah, so that you can watch and then you can relate to this video. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Pam and I do lots of DIYs and random videos. Today, I have lollipop. Nimefika ile part ya gum. Yeah, I've gotten to the gum part. So today's video, I want to show you an easy way that I use to unravel or undo my maths if I have made a mistake or messed up a pattern. But let me give you a short story that inspired this video. So there was this time a friend of mine who we learned to make the mat with messed up her mat. She was doing it for a client and I think she put the wrong color or she messed up with the pattern or something for about 2 or 3 lines, and it was so hectic for her to undo it. So she struggled and she was so stressed. She was cutting it in the wrong way and it messed up her tapestry mat. So I wanted to show you an easier way that I learned to undo it if you're using this method that I usually use. Okay, so this is just a hack for when you mess up your pattern, or you have changed your mind, you want a different color, or you just don't like your mat generally. If you make a mat and you don't like it, you can always undo it and reuse your tapestry, right? Yes, so let's get into the video. So these are the pieces that I unraveled from that line. And do you know the good thing about this? Do you know? This is how it looks. Depending on how long or short your pieces were, you can always reuse them when you want to use the other method. Now, you know the way you cut small pieces of yarn. So once you unravel this, you can still use this yarn to do another mat with the other technique of cutting your yarn into pieces. Do I make sense? Yes. So as you can see, or you can tell, not a lot of yarn goes to waste. So if you don't believe me, we can try it practically. So let's see. I'm picking from these pieces that I cut. So for instance, I have this, and you know the other technique of making it. It's just that I'm struggling because I don't have the crochet needle that people use. That's why I'm struggling. But as you can see, the first one I tried and it came out nicely. This is just because I'm using this. Yeah, but you see, you can reuse it. So until the next video, bye guys.